Alright guys, today, well I guess tonight, Dad's here. Dad and I are going to show you how to knock out these freeze plugs. We got the block all cleaned up, ready to go. Everything's been deburred. In here, no more casting flash. Even cleaned up the burrs on these lifter boards back here. So, we're going to show you how to knock out freeze plugs the Scott way. Alright Dad, you want to run over the tools you're going to need to knock out freeze plugs on an engine?
Well, basically all you need is a hammer and a chisel.
Yeah, so you want to go over to the chisel of choice?
The chisel of choice would be no pain, no gain.
Well, looks good to me.
Ain't no freeze plug gonna stand up to the 12-pound sledgehammer.
No, I don't think so. Alright, so Dad, let's show people how to take out freeze plugs the actual correct way with the proper tools. Maybe not so much the giant sledgehammer and everything.
I'm gonna put a little more point on it.
A little more point on the chisel. Never.
So I just basically,
You want to get up in a corner.
yeah, so you can kick it out like that.
You basically want to get the freeze plug from going like this, kicked out like that, then you can yank it out. Let me hold the block.
Or you get one that just rips.
Or you just get one that falls apart. Well, that's wonderful. There you go.
With fire.
I got it.
Ooh, look at that. Nasty.
Yeah, that is exactly why you take out the freeze plugs. This one was corroded on the back, and look at all that. You know, I flushed this block several times, and all that's still in there. It's a really good idea to always change out your freeze plugs. That's just laying in there, so I guess we're gonna have to flush her again before we put the new ones in.
Take the shop back and suck as much out as you can.
Yeah, so we'll get you guys set back up. We'll get the rest of these out. You're gonna want a really good point on your chisel, aka your punch, and you're gonna want to tap it right on the edge, right where it meets the block. Trust me, it's the easiest and best way to remove these without hurting anything. These freeze plugs are definitely in need of changing. Don't mind a little bit of camera jerkiness. There you go. You knocked her out. I'm fighting you with the camera.
Yeah, that sucker was already rusted too.
Yeah, that's a good thing. Went ahead and changed that one. Yeah, that thing was in horrible shape. I bet you this engine's had new freeze plugs. Those are brass that we pulled out. And like most people, I don't want to change those ones because those ones would be a pain in the butt. Yeah, look at that bad boy. Ooh. One thing you definitely want to do before you go knocking out your freeze plugs, make sure you can get all replacement freeze plugs. And luckily this kit from Federal-Mogul, which are all brass, came with every single plug we needed. Oh, made in USA. Sweet. Oh no, that's a rust hole right there.
That would have been leaking in no time.
Yep. Definitely always change your freeze plugs. They don't cost much. Even if they look good from the outside, because that's the thing. Most of them look good from the outside. Like my brother's 383, all the freeze plugs look great from that side. You know, like that one. Then you see the back side. Paper thin. Definitely something worth doing. So I just got done digging out a bunch of the big stuff with a screwdriver. Just getting inside here and just scraping around. And Dad's working on vacuuming up most of the stuff. We're gonna blow it out, clean it out real good. They get ready to put the new ones in. So after you feel as if you've gotten all your boards cleaned out, by the boards I mean the coolant passages, you want to get all of these little surfaces right here cleaned up real good. So when you push in the new freeze plugs, they get a good tight seal. And what we do is we got a special little sealer we use. It's that Loctite 515, put it around there, it gets hard under pressure. And that'll seal in our new freeze plugs. But we're gonna get these holes cleaned up. Dad, what are you gonna use to clean them holes?
Yeah, a little bitty old 80 grit flapper wheel.
A little sanding drum, it's all you need. You don't wanna bore these holes out because these are a pretty precise fit. And you definitely don't want a freeze plug that's loose. That kind of defeats the purpose. Alright guys, so this is the stuff we use, Permatex anaerobic gasket sealer. I'll put it up there. Gasket maker, I guess I should say. And we just put a little dabble of that on the freeze plug itself, on the outer rim. And when that gets hardened under pressure, it'll seal up real good.
And if it's not, it'll go out and dissolve with oil.
Except for this is coolant, but same thing. The other thing is when you're installing it, you need a socket that fits just inside the freeze plug. 1 1/8 is just about perfect. Now the freeze plug's nice and coated with sealer, and all the bores right here are really clean. We'll get her lined up. That's kind of a clusterfuck and a half. Square ish. We're a little high right there. So
Well, just put it back in there.
yeah.
And that says that block's the same all the way around.
Give her one more whack. I'm happy with that. There we go. That should seal up. And if it doesn't, it's your fault. You guys want to know what really made me mad about this whole section right here? Is I didn't catch it on camera when Dad took the hammer and smacked my knuckle. It sucked, trust me. Yeah, you just want to get all your freeze plugs seated and real nice, get that socket that fits perfectly inside the cup, and they'll go in real easy. It's super simple, easy to do, anybody can do it. I mean, hell, look at us, we're doing. Having to redo this one because someone may have dropped it. That is the guy standing in front of me in the sweatpants.
I'm like, go fast pants.
Go fast pants. To the buffet.
That's pretty solid.
Well, what do you think, Dad?
Got the new freeze plug.
All new brass freeze plugs. Oh, I don't know, I'll just go to this side. This side's got light. The only freeze plugs we didn't pop in are these rear ones. That's been because we can't get to them, so you guys remind me before we put this engine in the car, hey, we didn't replace those. We need to replace them. So she's got all new freeze plugs minus the two, which we can't get to. We're gonna put all new stuff in there. Just be safe. That's how you do freeze plugs, the Scott way.